Okay, the next DIY, we're going to make a fun little flamingo sign. This is going to be using some of the wall shelves. This is going to be kind of an indoor decoration, but I guess you could use it outdoor as well. We're going to be using some paper on it though, so you might have to be a little bit careful how you seal it to make that hold up. But I found this really great idea of making like little driftwood wood chip flamingo. So I wanted to see if I could pull that off. So we're going to use 2 of these long skinny signs from the Dollar Tree. I love crafting with these. I just removed all the hangers off of them. And we're going to use that same rope to just, make a hanger. So I hot glue mine together side to side like this just to make a small sign. I like crafting with these and also the thinner like real wood shelves from the Dollar Tree because you can combine them together easily like that and make a sign any size you want and you're going to have a nice blank. So using that same rope that came with the shelves, I just made a simple hanger. Then for the flamingo, they have these little paper shapes every summer at Dollar Tree. So we're going to pick one out because I need it for like the neck, the head, and the legs of my flamingo. It's kind of like a little cheater piece. This one seems to fit a little bit better on the sign we're going to make, so we're going to go with this one. I don't need the body of the flamingo. I just need like the flamingo legs and again the neck. So it's just paper, so you can kind of cut it exactly how you need it. You could Mod Podge this. I actually just went ahead and hot glued mine on. It's kind of a cardboard material, so it actually held up really well to that. And here is the neck and the head. Kind of figure out where it should be, and then we can just get rid of the body part. We're not going to need that. These are what we're going to use for the feathers. These are the wood slices from the Dollar Tree. They have these like in the circles, they have them in the wedges, and they have them in the sticks. These are like the wedge pieces. I find them from time to time at Dollar Tree. They always seem to go so fast. So if you see them, grab them because they are so fun to craft with. I've made so many different things with these. But they make perfect feathers. Look at that. I take 3 of them and hot glue them down here for the back part of the feathers of my pink flamingo. And then we're going to do 3 pieces here. You're going to want to kind of lay them out, see if they're the right size, if they're going to fit together well. And I hot glue it to the sign, and then I'm also hot gluing it to the piece, the wood slice right behind it to make sure that it's good and secure. And then we're just going to keep kind of building this out to create the entire body of the pink flamingo. We're even going to add some color to it as well. Some of them are a little skinnier than the other ones, and I kind of like switch them up a little bit here to try to make this work for the right shape. So I did 3, 3, and then 3 again. And then I thought I could finish it off with 2 to kind of make the front part of the body a little bit skinnier, kind of make it look kind of rounded there. And then to add color to it, we're just going to be using acrylic paint. I was trying to see if I had any other things in there that would be cute. And they do have these little tropical leaves. It kind of hangs off my sign a little bit, but I like the look of it. So I'm going to attach one of those as well. Why not? To kind of fill up that area at the top. You could always add some real greenery as well. That'd be really cute. And I really don't want like the excess holes here on the bottom. So I'm going to take some of that existing hanger from the shelf. And I'm just going to kind of fill it in, but it's really not going to serve any purpose other than kind of like filling these holes and making it look uniform with the top. For the color, I'm using like a salmon color and one of those chunky brushes from the Dollar Tree, and just distressing the top slice of all of the wood slices to really bring that pink color in there. And you can mix it up. I did like some of the soft pink as well, just to give a little bit of contrast. And then you can kind of blend those all in, kind of get it however, what color you want. I just wanted to add some color so it wasn't just wood on wood all blending in. Don't be afraid to paint these. They can turn out really cute, and it really goes with the pink flamingo vibe of the sign. I think it's really fun. Again, I use this for indoor decor, so if you're going to want it outside, you might consider painting the head, neck, and legs onto the sign. It might hold up a little bit better. And you might have to use a stronger glue too than hot glue to keep those wood slices on. But I thought it was really whimsical and a fun idea to make a little driftwood looking flamingo.